Hey, my friends, my name is Gina, and I am the creative behind Create and Daydream here on YouTube as well as Instagram. And today we are at the beginning of February, and that means there is a new devotional kit from Illustrated Faith. And this month it is called When Love Finds You. So I'm going to be sharing the devotional and kit as well as a couple other goodies that I picked up from the Illustrated Faith shop, along with some little nuggets of information that you may or may not know. So let's jump in and get started. So this cute kit comes in a vellum envelope, and one of the fun little things that we get to do every month with Illustrated Faith is try to figure out how many vinyl stickers we can get from the kits. This one is the one that closed up the vellum envelope, and what I do is I save extra sticker backing so I can pull it off and put it on there and give myself an extra vinyl sticker. And then also it usually comes in a little bag that has a third vinyl sticker, so you can end up getting 3 total. So every kit comes with a little postcard, and the front of this one says, "I am yours and you are mine." The front of this gives you a glimpse into the Polaroids that are in the kit and all the little heart pictures that were taken for this kit, as well as a look into a little challenge that Illustrated Faith is doing over on their stories. That is to find the hearts in everyday life. So if you find something, tag Illustrated Faith, and you also want to use the hashtag IF_when love finds you, and your photo might get reposted. Every postcard comes with a little introduction, like a little note from Shauna Noel, and this month it says, "I am so very thankful for you." And then she goes on to say, "Hey friend, this month I've asked Dawn to lead us on a journey of recognizing the ways that God is communicating his love for us. For her, it's with hearts popping up everywhere in her daily life. Maybe for you, it's a wildflower or a rainbow. However you see God's love, I pray you take this month to really look for him and learn to hear his still small voice." And she also includes a little sneak peek of what is going to be in the next month's kit, and the bottom is a color crush. So those are the main colors that were used in this kit, and that's also a look or a sneak peek into what the Better Together artist team will be creating and sharing on Tuesday. Here's the cutie vinyl sticker that came with the kit. It says "Awe and Wonder" on it, and this one can be used on a water bottle or on your laptop. A lot of people put them on their little carts that they store all their goodies on, so that could be your third sticker if you diligently take off the other 2. As I mentioned earlier, Dawn Kelly is the author behind When Love Finds You. She also is the vision caster for this devotional. And what she says there a little bit in the beginning is that her ambition with this devotional is to help others understand the ways God speaks to us, how he finds us, how to recognize God's love languages, how to recognize God's voice. She also will go on and share how God speaks to her, and that in turn will help us learn to be still and listen for him and find our love language with God. This gorgeous devotional is 20 pages, and it is jam-packed. It has 5 different sections that we can work through, and easily has over 20 Bible verses that we can study during this next month. Each of the 5 sections includes a portion to read, which directs you to your Bible, then a portion to listen, where she's included some of her favorite songs. There is a journaling portion, and there is also a prayer starter. So it's a really in-depth devotional and will definitely keep you busy. I think it's quite beautiful. The current Illustrated Faith devotionals in size are 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm loving this size. I'm also just loving all of the context, and Dawn finishes up here with her prayer for us along with some songs on her playlist. This kit comes with a super cute stamp set called Heart and Soul by Stephanie Ackerman, and there's 5 pieces to the stamp. 2 of them are outline pieces, and then there's 2 solid pieces along with the saying "Heart and Soul, be great for layering." We also get this super nice sheet of Heart and Found stickers. There's 18 of them, and they're kind of like a thin cardstock, so they're not too thick and they're not too thin, and I think they are beautifully matched to the devotional and the kit. Next up in our cutie little bag here, we have 10 Polaroid photos, and they all represent hearts in some sort of a way. And I think this just is a really great play into the devotional When Love Finds You and how Dawn talks about her story and her testimony. It's just beautiful. She's also selling some heart glass pendants over on Etsy, and I will link that below. I believe in women supporting women and especially supporting small businesses. Now we get to a little yummy portion of this kit, and this is the die cut ephemera in the little vellum bag. So always make sure to save your bags. And there are 40 plus die cuts here. They are all shapes and sizes. Some are one word title starters, some are little phrases, and then some are just cute little pictures. And as you can see, all the colors just go together so nicely. I am really loving this color scheme for February. It kind of steps away from the traditional Valentine's Day bright reds and pinks and stuff, and kind of goes into these muted tones that are just absolutely beautiful. Especially like for me, I love to use them with black and white. So I think the community is going to be doing a lot of layering, and I'm super excited to see that. Here are some cutout words, and I actually used these types of words in my devotional from last month, The Compassion Cure. They matched up perfectly with some words that were from Gratitude Documented a couple years ago. So I really like when the words are cut out. I think they just give you that nice little extra pop on your page if you're layering or collaging. So a little reminder, if you pick up a physical kit from Illustrated Faith, they also send you a digital copy of the ephemera. So not only do I have this ephemera that came in the kit, I also have a digital. That means I can print these as many times as I want, and I absolutely love that. They also have this month, you can go over and pick up the Polaroids as an ephemera set. You can always go and pick up the devotional kit, or the devotional, not the kit, the actual devotional. Every single month they do that, so that's available. Right now, if you wanted to pick up the devotional in a digital format, you could also pick the physical ephemera up. They have all these pieces currently in a physical little bag that you can get, as well as the Polaroids. So this was another little thing I picked up. It's the Washi Crush. I think it's called Wonky Sherbert. They took the washi out of the kits because the prices for mailing has just gotten skyrocketed. So now you can pick that up on the side. And then the last little thing I bought was this little 12 pack of perfect little pencils with the gold foil hearts on them, and I thought they'd be cute when I give out like little Valentines. So this is all available in the Illustrated Faith shop, and I'm super excited to jump in and start. So if you're new here, I hope y'all will subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. And other than that, I hope that you have a blessed day, and thank you so much for being here.